Hey DIYers, what's up? Back out there at the pool today, and I tell you what, I got this sent to you. You know, we've done a pool fountain waterfall deal before. Had somebody reach out to me and they sent me this. This is from Pool Hackers. This waterfall pool fountain. Pretty simple, straightforward. You can kind of see the picture here. Should be a pretty easy setup. Let's see what's inside the box. Oh yeah. Just what you'd expect. All the connections we need. This is going to be a pretty straightforward setup, it looks like. But let's get everything unboxed. And actually, you know what? This may need to be put on afterwards, or maybe, well, actually, you know what? Oh, look at this. Look at this thing. This even has, you can tip and tilt this thing completely. You have full adjustability here. So you can kind of tip them to the side or whatever. But this will screw into the outlet that is feeding back into your pool. So let me just double check, see what our instructions have to say. We're going to check it out. So there's our, here's our for above ground pools, our pressure regulator, because this has a little hole in the side of it here. So that'll adjust, how much we push out for the top, or we got this is an eyeball seat key tool. Okay, well, may have to look in to see what that's all about. Oh, right here is here's our setup here. Pretty simple. We're going to take off that. Mine is already off. And then we're going to screw in this feature here. Oh, so there's a bunch of, depending on what you have for the top, this is a pretty straightforward deal. Screw that into there, screw it on top, adjust the tops. Man, this is going to be like a 2-second install here, guys. So I'm going to go over to the pool and get this attached and show you what's up. All right, guys, so here we go. Pretty straightforward here. Should be able to spin this back in here and get it lined up. And can you see through the water? You see where that is? So that's just turning into here like that, okay? Pretty simple. That's screwed all the way in there, tighten it up. I want to face the okay. Now, back up a little bit. I don't want to get my camera person all wet. All right, so once you get that piece screwed in down there at the bottom, there's a little window I showed you before. As soon as you start closing that up, this will start going more and more. Check that out. All kinds of adjustment here. And you have an adapter for other types also. I don't know if you can see me through all that, but right there's the adapter. And hey, this will work really good for you guys out there in Texas when it gets really hot. Just this water coming up here will help kind of drop the temperature a little bit, get that air moving through the water, cool it down a little bit. Go down, check it out below. It's pretty nice. Works out pretty good too. So check it out. Pool Hacker, you guys got it going on. This works. Check it out.